The S1000RR was a landmark model for BMW when it was first introduced in 2009, a new high-performance inline-four sport bike for a company that established its bona fides in boxer twin adventure bikes. Since then, the S1000RR has been a perennial favorite for most annual superbike shootouts, even against brand-new contenders despite only receiving small updates in 2012 and 2015. After spawning a standard and sport touring follow UPS in the S1000RR and S1000XR, not to mention some higher-spec limited production variants in the HP4 and carbon fiber HP4 race, it's about time the S1000RR gets a full update. We may not have to wait much longer, as a heavily updated pre-production S1000RR was recently spotted undergoing tests by spy photographers. Visually, the engine is different from the current S1000RR power plant. It appears to be very narrow, almost like a triple, but the four header pipes reveal that it's another inline four, so it'll again displace just under 1,000 cubic centimeters. We expect it will, like the current iteration, do without a vibration quelling counterbalance to extract maximum power. Expect a factory rating above 200 horsepower. The chassis also underwent extensive changes as well. The subframe is a new trellis design, and the swing arm's shape now curves downward like on the HP4 race instead of the current S1000RR's upward curving swing arm. Very little of the frame is visible in the photos, but the part that is visible in the gap in the left fairings has a distinctly different shape from the current S1000RR's frame. Speaking of the fairing, the bodywork maintains the S1000RR's asymmetrical openings, with revised gill-shaped cutouts on the right side. From the front, however, BMW has finally ditched the asymmetric headlight design for a matching set of lights bookending a centralized ram air duct. Turn signals are integrated into the mirrors. A large exhaust chamber under the engine allows for a relatively small muffler placed along the right side. Electronic controls and assists will play an integral role in a new RR, so expect it to be fitted with a 6-axis IMU to enable top-level traction control and a form of cornering ABS. A semi-active suspension likely will again be offered, at least as an option like the current model. Instrumentation is sure to transition to a color TFT gauge panel. So, just when we were thinking superbike development had reached its zenith, now we must prepare ourselves for re-racking the latest leader bikes for yet another shootout. Keep it tuned to MO, as further details are expected in advance of the big motive shows this autumn.